Here are the basic parameters for a 1280 by 896 LED screen. 1. Resolution asterisk. 1280 by 896 pixels. 2. Screen size asterisk. The screen size can vary depending on the application, but this resolution is typically used for medium-sized displays. 3. Brightness asterisk. LED screens usually have a brightness range from 300 to 5000 nits, depending on whether they are designed for indoor or outdoor use. 4. Contrast ratio asterisk. Typically ranges from 1000:1 to 5000:1, depending on the quality and manufacturing process of the screen. 5. Viewing angle asterisk. LED displays generally offer wide viewing angles, typically between 160 degrees to 178 degrees, ensuring clear visibility from various angles. 6. Refresh rate asterisk. Common refresh rates are 60 Hz, but higher-end applications might require 120 Hz or higher to reduce motion blur. 7. Color depth asterisk. Usually 8-bit or 10-bit, providing 256 to 1024 levels of grayscale for richer color representation. 8. Response time asterisk. Typically ranges from 1 millisecond to 5 milliseconds, ensuring that fast-moving images do not suffer from ghosting or blurring. These parameters are crucial for assessing the performance and suitability of a 1280 by 896 LED screen for various applications. For more detailed information, it's recommended to refer to the specific product specifications or contact Nuocai Optoelectrical Company WhatsApp 852 556 28196, Mr. Anderson directly.